The Shark Navigator lift-away upright vacuum cleaner from the Shark store is designed for versatile home cleaning. It features swivel steering and a detachable pod for easy above-floor cleaning. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it effectively traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. This vacuum includes a brushroll shutoff for seamless transition between carpets and hard floors. The extra-large zero .87-liter dust cup allows longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. It comes with a crevice tool and dusting brush to reach tight spaces and delicate surfaces. The Pet Power Brush enhances pet hair removal and deep cleans dander from upholstery and other areas. Perfect for pet owners and households with mixed flooring, this vacuum delivers powerful cleaning and improved maneuverability. Its lift-away function and complete allergen seal provide convenience